Just like student attendance, the IntactERP has a particular feature for maintaining staff attendance as well. All you will have to do is click on the staff attendance feature on the left hand side and then go to attendance dashboard. Here you can get the data of the attendance for all the staff members for the particular month. You can see P for present, OT for overtime, W for weekly off, H for holiday and many others. You can export this data by clicking on the export button on the top right corner. If you go to attendance details under staff attendance, you can get an yearly attendance review of all the staff members. If you go on monthly attendance under staff attendance, you can get the monthly attendance report. You can also set a date range on the right hand side by clicking on the date range box and then selecting the start and the end date. This will give you the statistics for the particular date range. A staff member can also add their attendance entries. When they log into the system, they will have to click on the check-in button on the main dashboard, which is on the right hand side. This will start calculating the hours of the staff. When they log out of the system, before that they will have to click on the checkout button. This will end the calculation and it will enter the working hours of a particular staff member for the particular day. If you come back to staff attendance and then go to staff calendar, it will show you holidays, weekly offs, etc. You can add, delete or edit a particular holiday. Staff leave records will show you the data of all staff leaves. Here you can see the approved, rejected staff leave request. Leave account details will show you the leave data of a user. It will show if they have requested any staff leaves, if admins have approved their staff leave, etc. Apply leave feature will tell you if the staff has applied for a particular leave on a particular day. You can approve the leave here later in the leave account details option. Thank you. Separate video is available for the detailed version as well. Thank you.